I gotta close the window before I record, cause New York don't know how to be quiet. Stand up. Third.
Coochie down to the socks like I'm Biggie Popper. Keep your girl head in my Tommy boxes. But rent it out, she a silly hoe, cause she know the Frankenstein getting plenty dough. She don't get nothing from my nigga though. All she get is hard dick and some Cheerios.
Kinda send it out, but I'm never out. But I put them in the dirt with the penny low.
No tint though, on my window, so you see a nigga shining in the Benzo. Got me feeling like Jim Jones, I'm a pimp though, no limp though. Couldn't copy my style in Kinko's. Put in work, run up on the killer, then I put him in the dirt. Run up in the building, see me gon' squirt. That's what a nigga get when he gettin' on my nerves. I ain't lying.
Lay him on the curb, riding on the killer who be coming that firm.